I bet you didn't know that you can take a simple step towards better health starting tonight. Choosing the right drink before bed can make a world of difference for your gut. These drinks work in harmony with your body. They help your gut do its important job. The best part, these drinks are delicious. You can easily make them a part of your daily routine. Imagine waking up feeling lighter and more energized. This is the promise of a healthier gut. Let's explore how these simple drinks can transform your gut health while you sleep. Our gut plays a critical role in our overall health. It's not just about digestion. It impacts our immunity, mood, and even our skin. By nourishing our gut, we nourish ourselves. These drinks are packed with good bacteria, also known as probiotics. So are you ready to discover the power of these gut-healthy drinks? Let's dive in. We often underestimate the importance of our gut. We see it as a place where digestion happens and nothing more. But the truth is far more fascinating. Our gut is a complex ecosystem teeming with trillions of bacteria. These bacteria, collectively known as our gut microbiota, play a crucial role in our health. They influence everything from our digestion and immunity to our mood and sleep. Think of your gut as a garden. A healthy gut is like a well-tended garden flourishing with a diverse range of plants. These plants, or in our case, good bacteria, work together to keep the soil healthy and fertile. This allows our bodies to absorb nutrients effectively, fight off infections, and produce essential vitamins. However, just like a garden can become overgrown with weeds, our gut can also harbor harmful bacteria. Maintaining a healthy gut is therefore crucial for overall well-being. The food we eat and the way we live directly impact the health of our gut microbiota. Unfortunately, modern life often throws our gut off balance. Our fast-paced lifestyles, processed food diets, and high stress levels can disrupt the delicate ecosystem of our gut. These factors can lead to an overgrowth of harmful bacteria and a decrease in beneficial bacteria. This imbalance, known as dysbiosis, can contribute to various health problems. Processed foods, for instance, are often low in fiber and rich in sugar and unhealthy fats. These components can negatively impact our gut bacteria. They promote the growth of harmful bacteria while hindering the growth of beneficial ones. Stress is another major culprit behind gut issues. When we're stressed, our bodies release hormones like cortisol that can affect our gut health. Cortisol can disrupt the balance of our gut bacteria, increase inflammation, and even slow down digestion. The good news is that we have the power to restore our gut health. By making simple yet impactful changes to our diet and lifestyle, we can nurture our gut microbiota back to a balanced state. Kombucha, a fermented tea drink, is popular for its refreshing taste and health benefits. This fizzy drink, often flavored with fruits or herbs, is rich in probiotics. Probiotics in kombucha promote a healthy gut microbiome. They increase the population of good bacteria, aiding digestion and health. The fermentation process is where the magic happens. SCOBY, a symbiotic colony of bacteria and yeast, feeds on tea sugar. This creates a tangy drink full of beneficial bacteria and antioxidants. Regular consumption can improve digestion and boost immunity. Incorporate kombucha into your routine for better gut health and immunity. Kefir, a fermented milk drink, is another potent ally for a healthy gut. This tangy yogurt-like drink is often referred to as the champagne of milk due to its naturally bubbly texture. Kefir is created by fermenting milk with kefir grains, which are a combination of bacteria and yeast. This process results in a drink rich in probiotics, even more so than yogurt. The abundance of probiotics in kefir makes it a powerful tool for improving digestion and boosting immunity. These probiotics help maintain a healthy balance of gut bacteria, which is crucial for optimal digestion. They assist in breaking down food, absorbing nutrients, and reducing digestive discomforts like bloating, gas, and constipation. Studies have shown that kefir can help improve lactose digestion in people who are lactose intolerant. The fermentation process breaks down lactose, the sugar in milk, making it easier to digest. This makes kefir a great alternative to milk for those with lactose intolerance. Ginger tea, a soothing and aromatic beverage, has been used for centuries for its digestive benefits. This spicy root contains bioactive compounds like gingerols and shogales, known for their anti-inflammatory and anti-nausea properties. These properties make ginger tea an effective natural remedy for various digestive issues. One of the most well-known benefits of ginger tea is its ability to relieve nausea. It's a common remedy for morning sickness during pregnancy and nausea associated with motion sickness or chemotherapy. Beyond nausea, ginger tea can also help with other digestive discomforts like bloating, gas, and indigestion. Ginger stimulates the production of digestive juices, which aids in the breakdown of food and promotes smoother digestion. It also helps relax the muscles in the digestive tract, reducing cramping and discomfort. While the gut health benefits of kombucha, kefir, and ginger tea are remarkable, their positive effects extend far beyond our digestive system. These drinks offer a holistic approach to well-being, influencing our overall health and vitality. They act as potent allies in boosting immunity, improving mental clarity, and promoting radiant skin. The probiotics in these drinks play a key role in strengthening our immune system. By fostering a healthy gut microbiome, they help our bodies fight off infections more effectively. Furthermore, emerging research suggests a strong connection between our gut and our brain, often referred to as the gut-brain axis. The gut microbiome plays a role in producing neurotransmitters like serotonin, which influence our mood and cognitive function. By promoting a healthy gut, these drinks can indirectly contribute to improved mental clarity, focus, and emotional well-being. The probiotics and antioxidants in kombucha, kefir, and ginger tea can help reduce inflammation, promote collagen production, and protect our skin from oxidative stress. This can lead to a clearer, more radiant complexion. Incorporating kombucha, kefir, and ginger tea into your daily routine can be a simple yet powerful step towards a healthier and happier you. These drinks are not just trendy beverages, they are potent allies in promoting gut health and overall well-being. Their benefits extend beyond digestion, influencing our immunity, mental clarity, and even our skin. Start by gradually introducing these drinks into your diet. You can enjoy a glass of kombucha as a refreshing afternoon pick-me-up or sip on ginger tea after a meal to aid digestion. Experiment with different flavors and find what suits your taste buds best. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to reaping the benefits of these gut-healthy drinks. Listen to your body and pay attention to how it responds to these drinks. You may notice positive changes in your digestion, energy levels, or even your mood. It's always a good idea to consult with your healthcare provider if you have any underlying health conditions or concerns. Embarking on a gut health journey can be a transformative experience, and it's even more rewarding when shared with others. As you start incorporating kombucha, kefir, and ginger tea into your routine and experience their incredible benefits, share your journey with your friends and family. Spread the word about the power of these gut-healthy drinks and inspire others to prioritize their gut health. Share your favorite recipes, tips for incorporating these drinks into a busy schedule, and most importantly, the positive changes you observe in your health. Your personal experiences can be a powerful motivator for others to make healthier choices. Sharing your journey not only benefits others but also helps you stay accountable and motivated. When you share your goals and progress with others, you're more likely to stick to your healthy habits. Let's spread the love for gut health, one delicious drink at a time. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content on gut health and wellness.